Kasi yun lang yung
So again, to bring up the Pangilan mo na yan? 8
Yeah, good morning. Good morning. We have it good right here, right now, but conditions may change quickly. I hope you have your G-Lace. And I hope you understand the power of the G-Day. Have it in your pocket, it won't rain. If you wear it, if one or two gather in the power of the G-Day and you put it on your back, talagang hindi ulan. So I have one now. And this is the reason why we have it good. But it might change. We have 40% with just under 0.5 millimeters of rain forecasted. But, you know, makawala na. We have a 30+ kilometer ride ahead of us. It's semi out and back. And you know these roads. If you ride the south, you pass by the Anghare. One tip though, maraming mga manhole covers, yung mga square manhole covers along the Anghare, and it stretches from here to there. Okay? The widest we will go is a double pace line. But common sense na lang and feel, magsi-single pace line tayo for most of the ride. Magwa-wiper look kayo palagi and don't count on the wheel ahead of you kasi may mga manhole cover na with gaps. Pag sumut kayo sa gap, you might die. Okay? So,
You skip from getting hurt to die.
So call it out, no? Lalo na yung mga nasa call it out, point it.
we go to Inatangi. Ay, bago pala yun, we'll enter Vermosa. Usually, when you take the Anghare, you enter Vermosa, you U-turn mo sa ilalim ng tulay. We're no longer going to do that. We're going to take a left kagad into the main boulevard of Vermosa by the stoplight. There's just a little bit of Vermosa there, and then kakanan na tayo sa aking secret path. Secret path.
Ito secret path, pwedeng road tires.
Pwedeng road tires. This takes us to the back roads, to the bukids of Imus, and out Dasmariñas. Ito lang, itong Imus back roads na to, you're gonna love it. It's paved, pero may kalabaw, may mga damo-damo.
Wala pang pong.
Ha?
Wait, do we see this after we die? It's not what we will see. Good question.
If you see something weird, no, like a lady on the side, tanongin nyo, are you guys seeing this lady? Para ma-confirm nyo if you're dead or if you're deceased. Yung Imus back roads na yon, maraming tae doon. Halo-halong animal manure na because there's horses and carabaos and dogs. And we will pass through medyo community area. It'd be nice. Everybody says good morning there. The kids will raise their hands from an appeal. If you have good balance, okay na nyo. Ako, I like a good challenge. I raise my hand. Tatalunin nila. So, do that. Be nice. Paglabas natin, we're in Dasma na. We're gonna end up in a place called Inatangi Cafe. Who has been there before?
I guess it's a
Outdoor format, but the style there is Starbucks. You pull up to the counter, you order. Marami tayo, but what I'm gonna do, when we get there, I'm gonna talk to the waiter. Let's do order taking na lang. Let's settle this in one bill. Para mabilis yung gawa. Yung paisa-isa, it's gonna take forever. Okay? And there's a chance na may makasabay tayo ng cyclist. Because it's a Saturday, baka we all have the same idea. Going back, dito sa ating friends with road tag, okay? And I turn it over to my go-ride leader for this morning, Norman, to explain the mechanics.
Good morning! So si road tag, marami na rin siguro who's actually ordered before, di ba? Dati we had a one-off deal with them, no? We met them in some events, you know, they're really good friends, you know, RM and Robbie. It's called, they're local, you know? So somebody asked us sa kanina, but are they the imported? That's road ID. But this is local, so which is nice. So we're supporting a local business, no? So we did a one-off before. The nice thing is that they accommodated yung request natin, no, to have our logo. So yes, pinag-aralan nila paano gawin. Meron silang bagong product, which is the stem cap, no? And you've seen samples of it. I think most have ordered. We get them today, no? So tayo yung first tips on that. So later after they'll share what they want.
So I'm taking the group to the Bukids of Imus. Sa labas tayo ng Dasmariñas. Medyo secret route dito. Sa loob ng Vermosa, may kakananan ka. Ito yun. Then, we're gonna go through this barangay na tiny barangay with tiny roads. Pero, very peaceful. You smell the morning aroma. Animal manure. During the briefing, I warned the group about how this road is riddled with animal manure. So when we entered this road, amoy na kaagad. Although right now wala pa tayong nakikitang malaking pile, no, but banda dun sigurado sama-sama na kasi dito. We have horses, carabaos, dogs, chicken. Bukid to, tandaan nyo. Maraming wildlife dito. This area is specifically called Pasong Buaya. At ang Pasong Buaya, malaki yan. May mga phase yan. I believe this is phase 1, ano? Phase 1 or 2. Let's look for a sign. Minsan sinasabi, Pasong Buaya 1. Ayan, look at the barangay hall. May narinig ako sa likod. Tae. You have to call it out. Nagpalit na from Calabao, aso naman. Promise, madami to. I won't disappoint you. Good morning po. Good morning po. Excuse me. Morning. Morning. Talon. Very nice people. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Pag yun yung mindset mo, everything just falls into place. Mas maingat ka, hindi ka bastos. Oo. Gagalang ka.
Privilege yung dumaan doon at not your...
Yes, hindi ka taga dyan. Okay, so this is the end of the Bukid course. Ayan, so we're gonna make a right here, somewhere here. Tinatangi Cafe na yan. Dalas kami dito, kami ng local group ko. But it's the first time I'm taking a group this big na RCC sa Tinatangi. I've taken smaller groups here before, na RCC din, but never a group of 20, ngayon lang. Ngayon lang. Now, so you can take the, may mga rack dito, unahan nyo na. Side na lang, tapos sandal-sandal na lang dito. Thank you. Guys, alam niyo ang totoong dahilan kung ba't hindi umulan ngayon. Naka-shoe cover si Drex. Road tag, yes.
Dati nung bata pa ako, nagagawa akong ibilin.